Hi, I'm Daryl with Full Bore Engraving Company. I normally do laser engraving on this channel and some tutorials about different types of lasers, different pieces of software. But today I'm going to do something a little different. And I'm not being sponsored by these people at all. I just had an experience that I really want to tell you about. This right here is a laser light combination that goes, I've got it mounted on a Springfield XDM 9mm pistol. And for those that don't know what that is, there's a little rubber button here and there's one on the opposite side. So, well, just to make sure everybody knows that I'm safe, I've got this, I'll just lock this back open. I've got the mag out. I pulled all the ammo out of it. I'm going to leave that locked back. So, at night, or anytime, you may need a laser to help you aim this thing. So if you just press a button, you can see that laser showing up right there. Where that laser hits is what you're going to shoot when you pull the trigger. It also has a light on it. I just changed the mode. Here's the light and the laser at the same time. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's got different modes. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it back off. So one press turns it on, one press turns it off. Both sides. I can press the other side, and it does the exact same thing. The problem I had with it, I've had this for several years, and it got to where this button on the right-hand side, which is the one I use mostly because I'm right-handed, got to where I just couldn't press it and make it work. I'd press it down, and nothing would work. And so I would press the other one, and it got to where it was a little rough, and it wasn't work very well. So, like I say, I've had this for several years. I pulled it off. I contacted Viridian. That's who makes this. They said, send a picture of, or what was the serial number? I took a picture of it and sent it to them. They sent me a mailing label, had me ship it back to them, no charge to me. They fixed it. They sent it back. They included 2 brand new batteries and a tool that adjusts all these screws on here and the adjustment tool for sighting in the laser. So I just wanted to let you know this is made in USA, Viridian, and this is their older version, C5 series. Don't think they make this one anymore, but they make others that are even more powerful, more bright than this one. If you have any interest at all in a laser light combo, I highly recommend Viridian. It's the green laser. I like it the best. It's easier to see during daylight hours. Turn that back off. It even has a strobe if you want a strobe mode on the laser. And then to back off and back on. See how easy it is? They fixed that for nothing. Sent it to me back for free. Added the 2 batteries and the little tool to adjust it all with. So a big shout out to Viridian for doing that. Again, I'm not being sponsored by them. They didn't ask me to do this, but I wanted to give them a shout out for doing it. Please, if you ever in a market for a laser or a light or a combo, please look at Viridian. They are the best company ever. Thanks again, and I'll be back with another video about laser here soon. Thanks. Bye.